tutorial, YouTube. If you're wondering what I'm doing, basically attaching this to here, probably this to here, this right here, and this right here. Reason why? I'm making another little dolly. This time I have a, actually I should put it like this, maybe. This time I have a, actually I'll go like this instead. Bathtub has to be moved because I'm doing tiling in it. I'm not making a tiling video, don't worry. And what I'm going to do is, it's cast iron, it's super heavy, and basically it's going to kill me if I try to pick it up and move it. So I'm going to lift it up one end, roll it underneath, and just roll it out of the way. So I'm just putting the screws on here so I can get the tub to roll. Why am I using giant flat washers? Because I ran out of smaller ones. And these used screws I have in this reclaimed screw bucket, that's all I got. So I'm using pretty much what I got, making a little dolly. Basically it's, I got to tile underneath my tub, and when I'm done, it's like flip the tub up, tile it, move it back, and go right back to, oh wait, no. Pull the tub out, tile it, get it out of the way, and then after I'm done tiling, basically I gotta mud the tiles and then put it back as soon as possible, because 4 kids in the house that need to be bathed, 2 adults. My kids don't like taking showers, so. Plus I'm fed up with my kids getting the floor absolutely soaking wet. And I have like giant bin of used screws here that I have all kinds of weird stuff in. So I just gotta look for 2 more screws. I'm done. And of course, what happens is there's always 2 screws that you can't find to finish the last one. As you can see, I'm only putting 2 screws in each one. It's only got to be wheeled like 10 feet, maybe. Oh my God, really? For real? I just need 2 more screws. Like, what the hell? There's one. There's one. We got 1, Houston. What size? I think they're like 3/4 inch screws. Screws are expensive, and I'm not going out and buying a brand new set of screws just because, oh yeah, I gotta do this job. So why the hell buy new screws when I literally have hundreds in little bins like this? I do eventually sort them out. This bin is not sorted out. It's the first one I grabbed. My other bin is blocked by something at the moment, and this one, dang, oh well, I'll check the little pot of gold here. So yeah, that's pretty much what this video is about. I tell everybody, if you get screws and old stuff, any kind of old woodwork projects, take any screws that you can take out, take them out and just keep them and use them. There's no real reason to throw away a ton of screws if they're still good. I mean, I have rusty ones I use for outdoor projects and just temporary. If you gotta make a temporary thing and you just don't want to, maybe I'll put a few more in here just because. If you don't want to waste brand new screws on a temporary project, why use brand new screws? Especially when you're just gonna make something and maybe demolish it. I've done that many times. You gotta mock something up, you gotta make a rack for something, you gotta make a jig. Why not use just old screws? Yeah, I know it's not the most exciting video, but hey, this is what I do on weekends, weekdays. There we go. Each one should have at least 3 screws in it, because I'm not putting 4 in. That was the point. It's just going on top. I'm gonna roll it and get it the hell out of there. There we go. Done, 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 and done. Now we got a, what is the technical term for this? The technical term is a rolly thing. So yeah, see? That's all it is. Ta-da! Anyway, thanks for watching. Next project, next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check all the folks in the bottom.